Well, it's dirty again. Every time I clean it, it never stays clean. So that's first on the agenda today. We're gonna be headed to a meet. I got all the cleaning supplies. But first we're gonna go to a car wash and we're gonna have a little pre-meet before we actually go out. So I'll pick up the camera when, you know, it's done being clean and I start introducing you to everybody who's hanging out tonight. But it's a nice local meet. It should be pretty fun. We're gonna be meeting up with Marco. He's got his Z35 brand new. It's blue on blue. I really can't wait to see that because I haven't seen it in person and he waited a long time to get that. So it's gonna be super cool to park up and chill and cruise together. We're also gonna meet up with Patrick. He's got his BMW M4 and we got Mantis with his GTI and a couple other people that I actually don't know who's coming other than those at the moment. But I heard there's gonna be a decent amount of people pre-meeting up to cruise. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Wow. We just pulled up to the car wash. And we got our boy Lil Foff over there, bro. It's been a long time. We're gonna come say hi in a minute, bud. All right, we just got out. Let's check out the damage real quick. What up, Foff? She looks good, bro. Yeah, as you can see, it's not that bad. We'll take care of her real quick and wipe her down. Let's just go say hi to all the boys first. All right, we just pulled up to Cozy. I'm by myself. Everyone just stopped to grab some gas real quick, but yeah, we're in the Nismo. She's all cleaned up. And there's our boy Marco. They're already checking out the Z. Oh, dude, I gotta park right next to him. You already know. Woo! Thought I was gonna hit him. That's funny. Let's shut this off real quick. All right, let's get out here and say what's up. Oh man, what up, bro? How you doing? Oh, you're already eating here. I'm gonna get some canes, bro. Good for you, though. Respect.
I haven't eaten anything today.
We fuck with Cozy. It's cool. The OG. Come get your food, bro. Dude, in person.
Bad, right?
Not bad. In the sunlight, not in the showroom. In the color I actually like. All the above, you know?
Yeah, man.
And it's manual. 3-pedal gang. Got the rest of the crew pulling in from where we were washing the cars. I decided we could take a look at the inside real quick. So, we're gonna compare it to the Nismo. Dude, the blue. It's so beautiful, bro. It is very, very similar. I like that though. Not in a bad way. I do like this. Dude, I gotta sit in it. I gotta sit in it. Oh, dude, it's so pretty. How's that? Ooh, okay. The clutch goes down very easy, bud. But it's not bad. It's pretty nice. I love this thing, dude. This thing looks beautiful. Look how similar it is to this stuff. It's like exactly the same. Except like this midsection here, and obviously they updated that, but realistically, even this view, right? Obviously I have my subwoofer back there, but not bad. I'm gonna have to get a quick thumbnail here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the current lineup. Got the Mustang, got my Nismo, got Marco, got the Golf R, we got the SS, Civic, the Daily's out, the new BRZ. This thing's nice. Look at this fitment, bro. How's the interior on these? I remember mix. That's nice. There you go. There you go. Another GTI. Very nice. We're gonna have another GTI show up. We're gonna have an M4 show up and a Mercedes show up. So we're gonna have, damn, that's a pretty big lineup. Yo, I'm just noticing this, but the fins down here are actually really nice. And these taillights have like a 3D-ness to them that I don't know if it comes up on the camera that good. But dude, this thing's a beautiful car. It's so cool seeing these things side by side. That's Mantis, bro. We got another one. Look at this dude. There we go. No shortage of GTIs tonight, bro. Well, Golf R and 2 GTIs. What up, dude?
What up, my boy?
You got a couple friends.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, bro? Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Honestly, I think this is my first time seeing this in person.
Yeah?
Yeah, is that a stock diffuser or is it like...
No, that's aftermarket.
Yeah, that's badass.
It's all aftermarket. Full exhaust, safety, VMR wheels.
Okay, for sure. Oh, more Stinger, Mercedes. I have one more friend coming up in an M4. It's pretty nice.
Oh yeah, M4's
F80 in the nice yellow color. Yeah. These springs are coils because it's really low.
These are coils.
Okay.
I had to roll my fucking fenders because that shit was like scraping hard as hell.
That's what you did right here? And that cost you a little chip there?
Yeah.
It'd be like that, right?
It's all good though, you know. Like,
I got 100 of those on my front bumper.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Yeah, it's not fully done yet, but you know, it's getting there.
Yeah, no, that's cool. When are they ever done, you know? They're never done.
After the tune, it should be like 410 wheel. 400.
Oh, shit.
I should be fine with that.
That's plenty of power. Yeah, definitely. We got some more people pulling up. Aired out and we're not even at the meet already, bro. I was like, you're aired out and we're not even at the meet already, bro. I'm just oh shit, dude, look at that. That's nice, nice. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then when Pat gets here, that's 18. I don't know, I just miscounted, so I probably look stupid, but dude, that's a lot of people pulling up to this meet. We're gonna cause a ruckus for sure. I thought we lost you, bro. You said you were here 3 minutes ago, you liar.
My bad.
You just like to be early. I like it, I like it. I haven't seen this in person, you know that? No. No. We got 18 cars though with you, so that's a little bit of a nice cruise up right there, you know? Oh yeah, bro. I don't even think I introed the video, so what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're just hanging out tonight. We're gonna be doing some card things. You got Pat out with the BMW this time instead of the Z. How you like the fitment in person? Not bad? I did all right, I did all right.
Looks good.
I love this thing. Said want to run it with the M, that's funny. You just want to bully him so bad. Yeah, bro, the blue is hard, you know?
Yeah, it does.
It looks good. Everyone's just having fun. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, the highway after me. Got the new turbo back there.
Yeah, yeah.
What do you have in it?
Actually, can you see it?
What'd you put in it? KO4 hybrid.
I don't know if you can see it back there.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to smoke my Z though, especially this guy.
Next time I'm bringing the Z on.
Yeah. At least it's more fair.
I'm retuned now.
Yeah.
Like 25 more horsepower to the wheel.
That's nuts. That's actually cool if you can see it before and after.
Yeah.
I bet.
Door to door, so let's see the difference.
That's true. That's true. Another Nismo behind me, bro. Yeah, dude. You see that V2 back there? Dude, that thing sounds incredible. I wonder if I know him. Thing's looking good. You guys can't see him that good. How about there? That's a little better. All right. We just pulled up. We got the new Z out. We got Jimmy. Jimmy, you matched the Z, bro.
Oh, what's up?
You matching it, bro. Damn, everybody's here. What up, bro? Nice to see you. How's everybody doing? Damn, we got all the Z's coming out here today. Let's go. Let me get out of this car. Yeah, that's Marco, bro.
Dude, that Z looks so sick.
I know, it's beautiful. I love it. I'll be right out. Change of plans. Ooh, let me shut that off. We had to switch up the parking spots real quick. Yeah. I got you.
guys don't understand.
I saw you talk about fitment. I just did I did the Swift Spec R springs, and I have like 15 mil spacers and 20 mil in the back. So it's not bad. But yeah, I mean, Z1. Yeah, it's all naked right now. I don't have any stickers on here because they all got gross, so I peeled them off. I'm gonna make some new ones.
Yeah, I got you.
But yeah, Victor, nice to meet you too. I'm glad. Still pretty good turnout for how the weather showed up. Actually, not bad.
Oh, dude, I need those wheels, dude.
I know, I got them redone too in Chrome. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Creative powder coating does it though. It's pretty cheap. It's only like 50 bucks a wheel. You do got to drop off like the raw rim to get it that cheap, but it's not bad.
First, I gotta get the wheel itself.
True. Yeah, you're right. Or you can find one of these somehow. The whole thing. Oh my god. All right.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's get her in the spotlight real quick though, because you had this thing out. It took a long time to get this done, huh?
I got the headlights on.
Yeah, I did. I saw that. Let's see. I haven't seen it in person at all though, so I gotta start from the back first, you know? I like it. Yo, these things caught my eye from a little bit away. Oh man. In blue, bro, in blue. He got me. Oh man. Oh shit, I didn't even notice this. Oh my god. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, it's auto though. But honestly, it's probably still fast as fuck, who cares? Some Type R's, but yeah, the G80. Or is it G82? I forget which one is which. You know, you got the F80. G82, that's what I thought, alright. Yeah. RS6? Oh my gosh. Look at that. These wheels are crazy. More Z's. Okay. Yeah, dude. They surrounded you, bro. They're swarming you. 14, bro. From Ohio. You're the one with this?
Yeah.
Ah, dude, that's lit. I'm right here. That's lit. I was like a 14
This
pulled
thing's
up.
a piece of shit.
No, it's still good though. It's cool.
Comparatively, it's a piece of shit.
It'd be like that. You gotta start somewhere, right? Yeah.
Just got it, so haven't
Nice.
really had much time to.
Bro, he's got the Tesla screen in here.
You don't see him yet.
That's insane.
I don't see him yet. It's like, I got so much.
Yo, he got this thing for a steal. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but he's got some big plans for it. So, bro, you traded the Focus for the Skyline, bro? What up? How you doing?
Good, yeah.
Damn, looking good, dude. Look at these wheels too. This is hard. Oh, took the steering wheel off. Anti-theft device over here, dude. Damn, bro.
Because I walked in and I was like, where's the
Does he slide it though? Holy. Bro, in person, I've never seen the anime in person. I love that. Damn, bro. In person, looks good. He said he did your headliner? You got it on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, he does that stuff. He's the Focus guy. I'll tag him down below if you guys need your headliner done. Oh, my. Oh, dude. Like ready titanium, bro? I love, dude, I need to get mine to stick out that much. And he's on bags. Oh, dude. This thing's hard. 10 out of 10. He's got a Tomei, bro. He means business. Dude, holy. Look at this. It's funny, I literally just saw a TikTok/reel about someone doing this today with their windows, and then here it is in real life. Dude, I hope on camera this picks up. This is the brightest color I've ever seen, and there's no sun right now. Insane. He's on bags, bro. I didn't know that. Dude, all the fast guys are here now. Oh my god, I can't.
For a fucking headlight.
Nah, holy. Oh my god, it's so loud, dude. I think it's open dump. Honestly, I think it's definitely faster than the Turbo S.
What? Yeah.
I'm betting on it. Dude, these go hard. Next to each other. Sorry, I guess hard's my new word. I gotta come up with new words. You guys are just gonna make fun of me when I just keep looking at cars. You just kind of run out of things to say a little bit. All the boopers over here, bro. And Damien's not one of them. He might be pulling up here in a little bit though. But yeah. Oh, I love when everything's a different color. That's satisfying. You guys gotta check out these S2Ks side by side though. Yeah, dude, these are sick. Ooh. Holy yeah. I like this. I bet the front's sick too. If the back looks like that, you already know. Squad. Looks like they're being cool though. Everyone's being nice. They just waved back at me. That's funny. Oh, there's food. Oh shit. I'm not having canes, bro. We're getting tacos. Taking a taco break. I've already had 3 steak tacos. These al pastor are really, really good too though. But yeah, this meat turned out really good. Honestly, it's kind of what I expected because I was hoping if me and all my friends were coming to a big event, this is the kind of night we'd get. But I'm glad that we had food because I was gonna get canes. Rather support the local business and eat some really yummy, yummy tacos, you know? But I don't know why they got the cones on their car. That's hilarious. But even the cops are chill about it, so that's really cool. Good turnout. We got Damien on his way with the yellow Supra. We're gonna have a 3rd yellow Supra here now. All right, I just killed all the tacos, but look what just pulled up a little late here. Sorry about that.
You like I just saw you drop the phone on the car.
Oh man, these wheels, they go crazy.
Oh, look at those brakes. There you go.
Oh, almost got hit in the face by the door. Ooh, I hope that flake comes up for you guys. That's nuts. Oh, 300Z. Nice. We're testing out the light at night. How do you guys like it? I mean, through the screen I'm getting, it doesn't look that bad here. Let's see. It's a little darker down here. Oh yeah, dude, that works. Wheels look bright. Brakes look good. Fitment looking good. I gotta give my own car some more camera time. That's funny. Dude, this is beautiful. Let's get this thing in the dark too. Maybe you can get that flake in the paint.
I kind of was, but then, like, not really. $240, bro. There you
you go, Mike. I see you. I see you.
I think that's what everybody else wants.
She got the cool headlights though. I wish my Morimotos can make cool colors like that. You can spend the money to do it. I actually found a company that does. I'm strongly considering it. There you go. Yeah, this blue's nice. Oh yeah, I follow him on Instagram. Oh, I just realized I'm not even aiming at it. I'm sorry. There you go. I fixed it. You're good. Hey, I like the blue, bro. It's nice. All right, Billy, what are we hiding over here? You got a lip too, bro. I didn't see the lip from before.
Yeah, it's big carbon fiber.
Oh, the bronze. That's loud, bro. Your paint looks good, dude. I need a blue like this. All right, now that everyone's gone, I could actually get you a little closer up of this thing. Better point of view, dude. This thing in person, the paint, it's beautiful, and I love how it's just all exposed back here. This thing's just romping over here. Later, brother. Have a good night. We got something new over here. Dude, this is purple or black? It is black. It was hard to tell. Holy. This thing is sick, dude. Oh, he's got the hole in the headlight, too. There's Damien's car. Finally showed up. Other yellow Supras left. The best one stayed. The wing fits the car perfect. This thing shoots the massivest pops I've ever heard out of any Supra. Even Michael's was pretty good, but for whatever reason, this thing, the MagnaFlow or something he's got on here, it's pretty nasty. So yeah, how do we like this light? It looks good at night or what? Not bad? Fix up everything? Bro, look at this thing. I had never seen an Eclipse like this before. He's on RPF 1s. I think these are black chrome RPF 1s too. You know what? I'm actually glad I did mine in chrome then. Black chrome is a little dark. I'm assuming, but it's a pretty safe bet. And pop-up headlights. I don't know why I've never seen an Eclipse like this before. Dude, Montes has got underglow, bro. Riced out. I'm just kidding. Dude, this light is bright. Bumping in here. Thanks for popping the hood, because I walked around the whole car and I never got to see under here. But I knew it was cool. That was yours? This thing's sick, dude. Is there a turbo under there somewhere? On the other side?
66, yeah.
Oh. Okay. I couldn't even tell this from the front. It was so loud, but it's on stage 3 cams. That's crazy. So you've only had it for 1 year, you said? That's crazy. Oh my god. And yeah, he did say the wheels are black chrome, by the way, so that was cool. Verification there. Oh, you got all the boost gauges and stuff?
Yeah, I got it here.
Oh, nice.
Here the fuel, I got my oil pressure, and I got a boost gauge.
Nice.
That's all I really need for that.
I like the gauges. Really authentic. It's cool. That's cool.